So today we're here to talk to Isaiah Blevins, who is a student here at West Mecklenburg High School, and he's a part of the ROC program that we have here. It's Rebuilding Opportunities in Construction.
So Isaiah took classes with the ROC last year, his previous school year, through our electrical program, which was held here on West Meck's campus. This past year, school year, has been able to take classes at the dual enrollment building. So he's certified in with CPCC. He's got his NCCER electrical certification, his OSHA, and he's got a full-time job offered to him already.
I started to learn this stuff like really quickly, and it just got easier from there. We set up receptacle boxes. We did, like one time we did lighting fixtures. So when I was younger, I would like take apart stuff, like my toys and all that, and put them back together.
He's a great student, and Isaiah has done very well, and he's been a part of ROC Direct here at West Meck and a part of the dual enrollment programs.
When I first heard about the program and heard about construction, I always thought construction was just hammering nails, but it's far more than that. And any student that has an interest in working with their hands or learning more about it, please join up.
And I always say, if you like to tinker, if you like to take things apart, put it back together, if you like Legos, whatever it is, if you get that mindset, then come try it. It's something that you can excel in and make very good money.
I would highly recommend joining if you're interested in working with your hands and all that. I basically know I'm set up for life now.